Hello friends, welcome to my channel Easy Shorts of Learning. This video is about marginal costing. In this video, we cover what do you mean by marginal costing, how the marginal cost statement is prepared, what is profit volume ratio and how it is calculated. If you not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any query related to marginal costing, please write it in the comment box. Now, first we discuss about what is marginal costing. Marginal costing means change in total cost due to one additional unit introduced in the production. Suppose in a factory, number of units we manufacture is 500, and in manufacturing 500 units, the total cost incur is 5,000 rupees. When we increase our number of units by 1, that is, our total number of units is 501, then our total cost increased is from 5,000 to 5,100. This one additional unit increases our total cost by 100 rupees. This change in total cost is known as marginal cost. So, marginal cost is the change in total cost due to one additional unit of production. To calculate profit in marginal costing, let begins with simple equation. Here the selling price per unit is rupees 500, and in manufacturing this product the cost we incur is 400 rupees, so our profit is 100 rupees. When we talking about cost in marginal costing, cost is divided into two categories. Number one, fixed cost, which is fixed irrespective of number of units produced up to a certain limit, and variable cost varies with the production. It means if the production is increased, variable cost is also increased, and if the production is decreased, our variable cost is also decreased. The examples of fixed cost includes salary that we pay to the employees, rent of the factory. Variable cost includes direct material, direct labor, and direct expenses that are directly related with the production process. Now, if we put these values in this equation, the selling price per unit is 500 and the fixed cost per unit is 100 rupees. So our variable cost is 300 and we get profit of 100 rupees. So this sales includes number one, fixed cost, which is fixed irrespective of number of units. Number two, variable cost, which varies with the production. And number three is profit. With the help of following equation, we prepare marginal cost statement. In marginal cost statement, first we have to take sales. From sales, we deduct variable cost. When we deduct variable cost, we get contribution. Contribution is the combination of fixed cost and profit. It means when we say contribution is increased, what it exactly means? Profit is increased because fixed cost remains fixed irrespective of number of units. When we subtract fixed cost from contribution, we get profit. This is the format to prepare marginal cost or to find out the profit in marginal cost. Now, with the help of following example, we prepare marginal cost statement. Here, number of units is 10,000, selling price per unit is rupees 20, variable cost of manufacturing per unit is 14, and annual fixed cost is 50,000 rupees. Now, when we prepare marginal cost statement, first we have to take sales. Here, number of units are 10,000 and the selling price per unit is rupees 20. So our sales is 2 lakh rupees. From sales, first we have to deduct variable cost. number of units are 10,000 and the variable cost per unit is 14. 1,40,000 is the total variable cost. When we subtract this amount from sales, we get contribution of rupees 60,000. This contribution is the combination of fixed cost and profit. If we deduct fixed cost from this contribution, which is 50,000 rupees, we get profit of 10,000 rupees. So this is how marginal cost statement is prepared. The second part includes profit volume ratio. Here profit means contribution. As we have already discussed, in contribution, if we say that the contribution is increased, it means profit is increased, and volume means sales. So profit volume ratio shows the relationship between contribution and sales. Now to calculate PV ratio, our standard formula is contribution upon sales into 100. Better the PV ratio, sound the financial health of the company, because it is the percentage over sales. Let's take the example. In P Limited, the PV ratio is 10% and in Q Limited, PV ratio is 15%. It means if the sales is 100, our contribution or profit is 15. More the PV ratio, better the financial health of the company. So the Q Limited is better than P Limited. When the variable cost is given in percentage instead of rupees, then we use following formula to calculate PV ratio. Suppose if the variable cost ratio is 60%, then if we put 1 minus variable cost ratio 0.60, our PV ratio is 0.40 or 40%. In some examples, instead of variable cost, we find sales and profit of two different periods. That is, the sales and profit of 2019 is given and 2020 is given, and the profit is also for two different periods. So in place of contribution upon sales into 100, we use change in sales upon change in profit upon change in sales into 100. To understand which formula is used in which situation, we take an example. In first example, the selling price per unit is rupees 20 and the variable cost per unit is rupees 14. Now, in this example, we can comfortably find out what is the contribution per unit. Here the contribution is rupees 6. So we use our standard formula to calculate PV ratio, that is contribution upon sales into 100. Here the contribution per unit is rupees 6 and the selling price per unit is rupees 20 into 100. So our PV ratio is 30%. In next example, contribution variable cost is not given, but the sales and profit of 2019 and 2020 are given. In 2019, the sales is 2 lakh rupees, which is increased to 3 lakh rupees. That is the change by 1 lakh rupees, and our profit is changed from 2019 to 2020 is 20,000 rupees. When we put these values in second formula, that is change in profit upon change in sales into 100. Here the change in profit is 20,000 and change in sales is 1 lakh rupees into 100. So our PV ratio here is 20%. So in this video, first we have discussed about what do you mean by marginal costing. The change in total cost due to one additional unit is known as marginal costing. In marginal cost statement, first we have to take sales, then variable cost. After deducting variable cost, we get contribution. After subtracting fixed cost, we get profit. And the formula to calculate PV ratio is contribution upon sales into 100, and PV ratio shows the relationship between contribution and sales. In my next video, we discuss about what do you mean by break even point, margin of safety, and if the desired profit is given, how the sales is calculated in units and rupees. So friends, have a nice day. Thank you so much. And if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and share this video with your friends.